This is Mehak Bhardwaj. I am working as an IELTS trainer under Trackers Malerkotla. So today we are going to talk about the cue cards. Most of the students have the query that how they can improve their mistake of tenses in the cue card. Basically, there is no hard and fast rule to learn the tenses. You have to just practice it regularly. But also there is a trick that you can use if you don't have any command on the tenses or you just forget about it while speaking. What you can do is, for example, there is a cue card. Describe a town or a city where you would like to go in future, or describe a town or a city you would like to visit in the future. So basically, the cue card you have to answer is about the future tense. There are also some supporting questions, 3 to 4 supporting questions the examiner will give you or ask you. You just have to listen to those questions carefully, or you just have to read those questions carefully, because when the examiner gives you a cue card, it is mostly written on the paper. So you just have to have a look on that tenses, basically, that in what tense the question examiner is asking you. For example, the first question for the this cue card is, where is it? So the examiner wants to know about that where the city is located. So you have to answer this question in the present tense. You can talk about these in 2 lines, and those lines should be in present tense. Then the second question is, how you know about this city, how you get to know about this city. So if you got to know about this city in the past, then you definitely have to answer that in past tense. Like, I got to know about this city from my friend. Next thing is, what is it famous for? If you have to answer that what the city is famous for, you can talk it in present tense, because it is still famous for it. Next is, why would you like to visit this city? So as there is would in this sentence, so you have to answer this particular question in the future tense. You can say, I would like to visit, or I would love to visit this city because. So these are the techniques that you can use to improve your tenses, or to use the tenses like a pro while speaking. Also, I want to talk about here is about the follow-ups. So let's talk about the follow-ups of this cue card also. Why do more and more people live in the city? So according to this question, you can answer this question in the present tense. Let's change the question. Why do more and more people uh, are shifting towards the cities? Or do you know about if anybody had shifted recently, in anybody had shifted from a village to a city, or anybody had that have moved to a city from the village? So you can answer this question in the past tense, because they had shifted. Okay. Another thing I want to talk about is the next question. What are some factors that attract people to settle down in certain places? So these are the factors. You can answer it in present tense, because it is a general statement, general question. So these are the ways in which you can answer the questions, and you can use the tenses in your cue card, and it will be correct. So thank you so much, and do follow us for more tips and techniques regarding speaking, reading, writing, as well as listening material. Thank you.